Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to talk about the 4 types of sentences. Okay, let's begin. Before we start talking about the 4 different types of sentences, we need to review what is a sentence. Well, a sentence is a group of words that show a complete thought. For example, Lynn went to softball practice. That is a sentence. Not a sentence is went to softball practice. This is not a complete thought. We don't know who went to softball practice. Okay. Notice that every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Okay, so for our first type of sentence, it is a statement sentence. A statement sentence tells something. For example, I like to play soccer. That is a statement sentence because it tells something. Notice that a statement sentence ends with a period. The second type of sentence is a question sentence. A question sentence asks something. For example, we have here, do you like to play soccer? That's asking a question. Notice that a question sentence ends with a question mark. The third type of sentence is a command sentence. A command sentence tells someone to do something. Our example that we have here is give me the soccer ball. So that sentence is telling someone to do something. Notice that the command sentence ends with a period. And the last type of sentence is an exclamation sentence. An exclamation sentence expresses surprise, excitement, or some other strong feeling. The example we have here is Juan scored the winning goal. Notice at the end of an exclamation sentence, we have an exclamation point. Okay, I hope you enjoyed learning about sentences.